Well, we're in Burbank, California at the HQ of Magic Jump. Now, their motto is "We manufacture fun," which means they make these really cool inflatables, these jump houses. Now, you've probably driven by one of these like I have, gotten out of your car, walked into a children's birthday party and said, "Excuse me, kids, I need to jump in this." Yeah, it scares the children, but you got to admit it is a little fun. Well, the Bagumian family has been making these jump houses for some 10 years now, making them one of the world's leading manufacturers of these. And they look a little simple, but there's a lot more detail that goes into the engineering and design to make these fun and, most of all, safe. Let's meet them. So at Magic Jump, this is where the bounce begins, where the balloon is born, where the concept starts. Manny is, would you be a computer designer? Is that it?
I'm the creative director, more or less, here.
Do they ever say to you, "Manny, you're killing us out here. We cannot make this this animal way too complicated"? They ever say anything like that?
It happens. We're more or less like a well-oiled machine now. I know their limitations, how much the vinyl can be pushed and pulled. Mm-hmm. Knowing that, we work together, and I will make something that's impossible for them to make.
What are the limiting factors for these balloons from design to execution?
The material doesn't stretch, so whatever shape we give, that's how it's going to look.
Mm-hmm. And where is this heading after, say, animals in jump houses? Where does it go from here?
We have full obstacle courses, we have giant slides, competition, games, sumo suits. Really, wherever your imagination goes, that's where the industry can take you.
Or where does it begin for you?
We take a polygon mesh, just like sculpting in 3D. Mm-hmm. We can push it and pull it and manipulate it to where it takes on a structure that we're happy with.
Mm-hmm. So you're going to actually dissect this head basically into strips of vinyl so they can sew it in the next room?
Exactly. The computer takes the 3D shape of the side of the giraffe's head and actually pulls it out and stretches it for us into a pattern that we can then cut and sew together, and it'll recreate the exact same giraffe head we have in a 3D model.
Since the table sucks the air in, it's a suction table. We've got to put it all the way so the pattern won't move. Down here first.
Further this way? Oh, I need this to come back. It doesn't automatically.
Exactly, because it starts from here.
All right.
See, the pen is the guide.
This pen?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that tells it where the 0, X, and Y axes are.
Got it. So when I press this button, all of that design goes to that little blade and begins the cutting. All right. Here we go.
3.
Hello. It doesn't waste any time. Look at that. Wow. How many pieces can this cut?
As many as you tell it to, all the way down.
But
then you're going to press the red button. That's it. That's it.
That took about 10 seconds to cut.
Yes.
It's that quick. So how many can you make in the course of a day? Hundreds? Yeah. Okay, so what we're looking at here. This is the side of a giraffe's head. It may not look like it, but oh, it will be. All right. So of course, a zebra is nothing without its spots. And then any kind of special glue in here? Or
yes, this is special vinyl cement. It's not that toxic where it will give you brain damage. Or
won't give you any brain damage?
No.
Won't do any of that?
No.
I shouldn't sniff this though, basically.
No, it's not good to sniff it, yeah.
Okay. Reminds me of making a model airplane.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, Manny, our computer designer inside, has created what we will call spots for our giraffe. And this is the part that gets actually physically kind of messy. Yeah. See, Manny, he gets to sit at the computer and just peck away at the keyboard. This is where the actual labor comes in. I'm starting to feel it already.
Starting to feel dizzy?
Yeah. It's not exactly like a rose garden. No.
So that's why the guys that do it regularly are not here today.
Yeah. Oh, they're not? They're recuperating?
Yeah.
I'm ready for the long haul. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Here we go. Like so?
One done.
One done. And how many? 149 to go?
Yeah.
Manny, we should be more economical with this box, right?
Yes, you should.
This is, so there's basically a gas pedal down here. Pushing it forward. That's reverse. We're not going to need that. So I got to line these two pieces up because I want my giraffe head to be perfect. How's that? It's not good. This would get me fired, is what you're saying. Now, for the testing process, what do we do?
Well, we do a quick walk around,
Yeah.
make sure everything, all the stitching came out correct.
So I stitched it myself. I'm going to stand by my stitching, and I assume it was top notch.
I hope so.
You hope so?
Because if
Okay,
it's not,
so you know what I think we need to do? So, yeah, I'm not doing this alone.
of course.
All right. So adults can do this, right?
Yeah.
We are now inside what is a highly engineered jump house.
That's
This
right.
is your bread and butter.
Yep.
It's time to actually give this thing a rigorous testing.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Now there is some nice bounce in this, right?
Yeah.
Now
Perfect.
I can fall against the wall, right?
Yeah.
No one's gonna fall out. Am I considered the right weight for this?
Yeah. This can hold any weight.
Anyway,
It can hold adults up to 250 pounds.
is it awkward talking to me while I'm jumping up and down like this?
A little bit.
A little bit. Okay. Is the giraffe head still on the
But
top?
the safety rules say you shouldn't do that.
Oh, I shouldn't. Okay. Sam, I want to thank you on behalf of all of us here at Discovery for letting us spend the day with you
Sure. Thank you.
Here.
Thanks for stopping by.
at Magic Jump. We'll see you later. Woohoo!